Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on BigBear.ai just several days ago, to be precise, on November 22nd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $5.4. And at this point, my main assumption was that most likely we should land lower at the ranges slightly above $4.5, because we have to complete this WXY correction to the downside. And somewhere here we might see the trend reversal. It was the previous point of control from the major trend reversal that happened at the very beginning of September. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset went higher. It didn't break this previous swing high, but it didn't hit my price target either. And to be honest, this price target is not invalidated. I have to admit that the invalidation of this price target will be breakout first of all above $6.5 mark and above this previous swing high. But as long as we are hovering below these two levels, this price target is still on the table. And guys, if you want to have this type of detailed technical analysis on a consistent basis, and if you want to know my personal trades, and if you want to receive calls to trade from my point of view, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account with limited time offer, Black Friday 50% discount. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you why this asset jumped from this lowest point to the current price by 25%, and I will show you why you should be very cautious on the upcoming week. So let's begin with the general sentiment related to BigBear.ai stock. And if you type in Google search bar BBAI stock and switch to new stock folder, you will see several recent news, and this news grabs my attention because it is very important from the fundamental standpoint. Here is this article that was published just a couple of days ago, and it says, Dear BigBear.ai stock fans, mark your calendars for December the 1st. And here's some details. BigBear.ai stock rallied about 16% on November 24, right after the artificial intelligence company confirmed it would hold a special meeting of stockholders on December the 1st. Part of the surge was related to a renewed reaction to the Q3 earnings beat and Ask Sage acquisition announced on November the 10th, and as investors rotated back into defense-focused AI names. So, at the meeting, BigBear.ai will seek approval from the shareholders to double its number of authorized common shares to 1 billion. The authorization will position BigBear.ai to finance growth, close strategic deals like Ask Sage, and strengthen its balance sheet for future government contracts. Scaling faster and winning larger contracts will help it compete more fiercely with rivals including Palantir Technologies as well. More importantly, it won't immediately dilute the current shareholders either, which is why BigBear.ai shares responded positively to the announcement of the special stockholders meeting this week. And guys, I have to admit that if the company wants to increase its share float by the factor of 2, definitely it is a delusional process, but at the same time we don't know the details of this action. That is why, guys, this movement to the upside, well, market responded positively. Let's take a look at some numbers. If we switch to financials tab folder, and on the statement income statement folder, you can see that here is the diluted shares outstanding, and we can see consistent growth of the number of their shares outstanding. And for now, on Q3 2025, they reported a little bit less than 500 million shares, and they want to double this number. So guys, be cautious with this update, because one way or another, but this process is still delusional process. That is why I will show you on a technical analysis how you have to react on this news. On top of that, I want to pay attention to the most recent so-called smart money investors list. And right here you can see that some companies reduced its position. Basically, some of them closed their position entirely. Some of them, like JP Morgan, reduced its position pretty much by half, but they still hold about $7 million in value in this stock. Some companies opened new positions, and well, to be honest, these positions are not the biggest one, and that is why, guys, we don't have clear picture from the most recent filings from this list. But if we take a look at the general sentiment, if you take a look at this chart, you can see that it is institutional ownership of BigBear's AI stock. You can see that the last bar is the highest level ever, and this means for now more and more institutional investors still want to hold this stock in their investment portfolios. So guys, as you can see, we have a lot of news that are quite interesting on the one hand, but that might be controversial on the other hand. That is why, guys, mark your calendars on December the 1st, because when we know all the details in regards to these upcoming steps of the company, we will see how the market reacts, and we can react accordingly to these movements. That is why, guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we are not out of the woods, and this green rectangle is still on the table as the short-term price target for this asset if it doesn't break $6.5 and if it doesn't break this crucial level of $7.47. For now, it is hovering in some kind of consolidation phase right around $6 to $6.3, and definitely we have to see the reaction for the upcoming shareholders meeting, and we have to see the reaction on the results of this meeting. And that is why, guys, if this asset goes lower, I will definitely do another update, and depending on the level where this asset will land, I will show you how we can react on this movement. And if the reaction is positive on this news, we will have another opportunity to re-enter a long position right after its retracement, because we have to see 5 waves to the upside in order to confirm its next potential trend. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just